You're looking at a real set of 7mm Canary and blue diamonds in solid 14 karat gold. These are S1 diamonds. The gold is fully filled. I'm letting these slide for $250. They're 7mm screw-on backs. Half of them are gold, half of them are blue. Very, very nice set of earrings right here. Denver Nugget colors. Let me know what's up. I could maybe work you a deal on these. You buy these in a piece, we're talking a big deal. It's TheChainMane, 720-298-3778. MoneyGram, PayPal, money order, Western Union. The website's coming soon. Let me know. These are solid earrings. S1 diamonds, real diamonds. Real point stones. And the 7mm invisible set, earring set. Let me know what's up. Holla at TheChainMane.